Watch as 3 fiery circles come alive in this acrylic pour, every color stretching, swirling, and forming something unexpected. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on a dark gray base with 3 stacked puddles right at the center of the canvas. I wanted to capture the feeling of heat and energy clashing with cool metallics, that push and pull of light and dark. I start by making sure the edges and corners are fully coated with paint, so the entire canvas has complete coverage from the very beginning. And yes, even in fluid abstract art, sometimes we sneak in a brush or two. Who knew, right? I also use a blow dryer to make sure the base paint covers the entire canvas. Some artists prefer spatulas or tilting the canvas, but it really comes down to strategy, finding what works best for you as an artist. For me, the blow dryer gives me smooth, even coverage without overworking the paint. I use the torch not just at the end, but throughout my pours. For me, it's the best way to release those hidden air bubbles that can ruin a finish if they're trapped under layers of paint. It's nearly impossible to get rid of them once the painting is complete. Some artists don't torch as often, and that's their style. But for me, it's part of my process. I don't spend a lot of extra time mixing paint to make them completely air-free. So the torch helps me achieve the results I want quickly and consistently. I layered bright red, dark red, magenta, silver, and black, building each puddle with careful intention before bringing in the blow dryer. Stacking puddles is a great way to control the center focus while still letting movement decide the final outcome. With this technique, the blow dryer doesn't just move paint, it creates layers, stretching colors into unique shapes. That's why the circles appear abstract, almost like floating worlds. Notice how each one takes its own identity. No two pours ever come out the same. If you're trying this at home, don't overthink it. Let the paint flow. Sometimes the best results happen when you let go of control. These abstract circles remind me that even in chaos, beauty forms. Every pour tells a story, not planned, but discovered. And here it is, 3 bold, fiery circles against a deep gray base. each one layered with movement and energy. If you enjoyed this pour, hit that like button, subscribe for more fluid art creations, and let me know in the comments what colors I should use in my next painting. Remember, stay creative and keep painting.